On this episode, we use big bores to go after big boars, and it's right here on Adventures Afield.
When I was just a boy, my father helped me develop my passion for the outdoors. That passion quickly turned to an obsession. We are in the stand. It's probably about 400 yards this way. This is the stand that I shot that really big pig with the Texan 457. Right now I'm using my 308. I think that feeder is at about 100 yards, 90 yards. I'm hitting dead on at 50, so shouldn't be any problem. So let's go ahead and get settled. And let's wait. Forgot my coat. It'll be all right. I got both windows open, so it doesn't matter where they come in, as long as they're in front of me. Hmm. 84 yards to the feeder. Should be an easy shot. I'm not going to go for a head shot. I'm going to go for a body shot, but a really good vital shot. He probably won't run very far. $150 grain. Oh yeah. Ready to rock and roll. Snake time. Cheese is good for you. This is basically what I do when I'm sitting in a stand. Do this about 1,000 times. Just not so fast. We have pigs. Oh, don't move off. This window won't open. Doesn't have the thing to keep it open. Ah, dang it. That's the way it goes. Well, it looks like I goofed up. There is a string right there. I could have put the window up. They were only maybe 35, 40 yards. Let's hope more come in. My bad. All right, the window is now open. So if another pig comes in, I'll be ready. Well, it's getting dark, and I do have a light on my gun. I'm going to try to video if one comes in. But if I get one, you'll see it though, obviously. I opened the window, by the way. Should have been opened. Just gonna sit and wait. There's pigs out there.
So I'm glassing these pigs with my binoculars out in the field. They're about 300 yards out, and I'm watching them, hoping that they would actually come to the feeder. As I'm watching them, I hear something off to my left. It's a pig. So I look out the window and I see this black object walking along. You couldn't see any detail because of how dark it was, but it was definitely a pig. So he's making his way to the feeder. So I get my gun ready, stick it out the window, and I could see through the scope, and I could see the outline of the pig, no problem. I get the crosshairs on the pig, and this is what happens.
He is down. All right, so 85 yards. I didn't have a light on. The light on my gun was hitting my silencer. I couldn't see anything. So I could barely see the crosshairs. I can hear them. I could barely see the crosshairs. Put the crosshairs center body, smack, he went straight down. Sorry you couldn't see it, but you could hear it. You could hear the impact. There were more pigs at the feeder. I hit another pig. There's another pig down. One pig, two pig. That was crazy. Sitting here filming this, more pigs came in. It is pitch black out there. Actually, I shouldn't say pitch black. I can see enough through my scope, but I'm sitting here talking to you. Feeder's at 85 yards, and I heard grunting, so I shined the light back out there. There's pigs there again. So, got two pigs down. Airforce Airguns, 308, Texan, 150 grain, BHD. Put the smack down on them. They're not big pigs. They're eating pigs. Yeah. All right.
I wish I had my pistol with me, but I don't, so just gotta be careful. Help is actually on the way. That thing light up. Oh, it's still kicking. I'll have to finish this one off. There's the other one. Alright, let me finish it off. Be right back. Alright, here's pig number 2.
perfect eating size pig. Probably what, I think about 60 pounds?
Probably about
40, really?
Yeah.
Okay. 40 pounds, perfect for eating. Looks to be a sow. The one over there is a sow too. This one ran about 10 yards. I shot on the other side of the feeder. I need to see where I hit this thing. I have no clue. But that one was right above the shoulder, put her right down. But perfect eating size. Airforce Airguns. All right, pig number one. We drug it away from the feeder because it was getting too bloody. We don't want to bloody up the feeder. But right above the shoulder, actually a little bit behind the shoulder, went completely all the way through. 80 pounds, 70 pounds, something like that. Perfect sow.
Was that awesome or what? Shot completely through both pigs. Man, that was fantastic. You couldn't have asked for anything better. First pig dropped on the spot. Second pig ran 10 yards. On the second pig, it was a complete pass through. It was a heart shot. Not only that, but it broke the leg as it exited the other side. That's incredible. That's a lot of power, especially in a pig. Pigs are really tough. Even though it's about a 40, 50 pound pig, it still went completely through on the second shot. That's impressive. That's an Airforce Airgun. Hey guys, thank you very much for watching my show. Thank you for subscribing. If you hadn't subscribed yet, please hit the button. And if you can, please consider donating to my show. I would really appreciate it. It would help a lot with the production and to bring you more exciting hunts. Again, thank you. I'm Eric Henderson. It's all about adventure.